Wow, this is me, Mohammed Zaifa, and I have been an entrepreneur from 2022. I have been working in the sales industry back and forth for a year and a half from now, and I have generated well over $500,000 in revenue for the last couple months. And fast forward, in this video, we'll be going over step by step of how does this LLMs model operate, what is agentic AI, and what is the best way for you if you are an entrepreneur looking to leverage AI into your business, or if you're new to AI and looking to leverage that into basically getting into industry. Let's get started. So with that being said, before we dive into what our agentic AI and what our AI agents look like and how we can leverage that, we need to go a little bit into the history and understand what are the shifts we have been seeing into the large language models. Now, what are large language models actually? LLMs. So you might use ChatGPT, you might use Gemini, you might use Grok on a daily basis to basically perform various tasks like translation, summarization, answering multiple questions, maybe writing a script for you, maybe writing basically multiple things for you. And it's obviously reducing all of us a lot of time and energy, right? So how does that work? Basically, first of all, we just put an input. That is the prompt. We give it to the ChatGPT or any of the large language module, right? It goes into the code and it has limited information, right? So it cannot give us the any harmful information. It cannot give us the information that it hasn't have about us, right? So it just has the general information about the world, about what is going and what is it given to you. What is it given inside the ChatGPT or some large language models? Otherwise, it will say, no, I haven't got that answer for you. Sorry, right? And then when it analyze, it has the answer, it has things to answer us, then it's gonna give us the output, right? That's what this is the common way, and this is the very common example of how does this language model operate. Example, if I'll go to ChatGPT, ask it basically, how many days am I going for the summer vacation in 2025? What do you think it's going to respond? It's just going to respond like in the two ways, basically. First of all, it doesn't have that information. So it's going to respond like, I don't know, which is the reality, right? Or it just guess something out of my previous conversations and just say, like, you might be going for 10 days, 20 days, whatever. But that isn't the reality, right? Because the reason behind that is I haven't given him the information of my personal, the sensitive things. So that's the reason it is unable to respond. But by the way, it can obviously respond in the various ways. It can write emails for us, it can write summarizations, it can do a lot of stuff, but we still have to customize it in a we want it to be not to sound AI, and then and this is why the manual stuff is still there with the large language models. So far, you might have heard AI is the future. AI can change a lot of things. AI can do all the human tasks. But with the normal large language models like ChatGPT and the Gemini, we cannot do all of them because obviously it can obviously reduce a time for sure and the cost, but there is still a manual things required to get the operations done and get this more personalized and more specific. Now let's understand how this AI agents work and what is the way it can genuinely change the things, right? Now, when we talk about the AI, basically large language models, it just take input from us. It just go to the code, see it if it has got the answer available, and just give us the desired output, right? But when we talk about the AI agents and the agentic AI, whatever you call it, it take the input and then it proceed. It doesn't just go into the system, see if he has got the answer or not. So like let's say for this example, I have written the lead scraping tool. First of all, it will go like no, I enter the input that I'm looking for a system where I can basically scrape the leads, create them basically personalized emails, and then send it, right? This is the human task. And obviously, if you have got the experience in the sales and the marketing or any of that stuff, you need to understand, obviously, these all the systems and need to have specific people to do all this stuff, right? Now, we're just going to give it the input. We just need to connect it with the right tools, right? So for lead scraping, there are multiple tools out there. Let's say Phantom Buster, there are a lot of that. right? We just need to scrape the lead. It will again go to the system, right? That will come back. We can obviously connect ChatGPT, OpenAI API key, and it will write us the personalized email based of the basically leads we have scraped, right? And once it's write the personalized emails, it will go back to the system, right? Then before the output, it's gonna come back, and basically we can connect from, like, let's say GHL and any of the, like, basically CRM system or email sending systems, right? Now this is just a quick example. There are a lot of actions required in the middle. You can connect it with a lot of tools, a lot of large language models to make your answer more specific, make your system more specific and basically efficient, right? And that is going to let us know that yes, your work that you gave us has done. We have basically scraped the leads, we have write personalized emails for them, and we have also sent them the emails, and the list goes on and on and on about like what happened after we sent the email, if the person have opened, if the person have seen that, if the person hasn't had a chance to do that, what would the follow-up look like. So all of the systems, like basically sales systems, marketing systems, this all could be automated by these AI agents. And I'm sure, I am 100% confident for 2025, this is going to be not for 2025 specifically, but for the upcoming years, this is going to be the future. So if you are new to the AI, is wanted to learn something, I would love you to just get into this, learn about different tools, and basically start making your agents, start testing things, start basically implementing things, right? And if you have got the business and you're looking to basically reduce the cost, increase the efficiency, human obviously they have different desires, they have emotions, they have a lot of things out there, right? What you can better do is train a system, and it can basically train your teams, it can basically do lead scraping and basically lead scheduling, a lot of tasks for you that is genuinely hard when it come to get all of that done by the human. Now let's understand it by a real-time example, the difference between LLMs and the AI agents, and what is the difference actually, right? So I asked ChatGPT to basically give me the link to schedule a call with Launch My AI Business. They help people to start their own AI-based agencies, right? So it just told me the instructions of first you go to their website, you click on the home page, you'll see the button, and then you can have a chat with them, right? But when I go to their website and there is a chatbot, obviously, right? And I asked it the same question, can you give me the link to schedule a call with your team? It gave me the link, right? So this job of sending the name, scheduling a call was previously done by a basically appointment setter or someone managing the inbox, right? Because you need to answer them right away. You need to answer them in the right and the responsive way. Now it's all getting done by the AI, right? Chatbot, AI calling agents, these are the basic examples. There are a lot of systems in the sales and the marketing and the funneling. All of them could be automated. And the thing is, it is going to reduce your cost, it is going to increase the efficiency, and you will have more time and efficiency to scale up your business instead of basically giving all of your time to basically scale your current things and manage all of them. I hope this video finds you valuable. This channel is basically going to be about AI agents, what is the basically possibilities, and what are the coming in the AI space. Stay tuned. This is going to be an amazing journey. This is the first video of so many. So stay tuned, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we'll go from there. Bye bye.